I made some neural amp modeler profiles and this is what they sound like. So I thought I wanted to demonstrate a little bit how it sounds like when you're using my profiles in Reaper or with your guitar or bass. It doesn't matter what DAW you're using. So as you can hear, this is only the DI track, so I will show you how to set this up if you have a neural amp modeler. First you load the amp modeler itself and then we load my profile. This is the guitar profile that is provided in the package, and I just play along so you can hear what it sounds like. This is without any settings, just the raw capture. Yeah, as you can hear, I think I have this time managed to capture a really nice balance with the low end and the top end. I mean, even if I hit all the strings and it's really high distortion on this one, but you can still hear every string really clearly. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this one, and I need to tell you that how I achieved this was not only to use a tube screamer into the yo-yo zombie and back into the cabinet and through the two microphones. These tracks are really processed through my analog gear, as you have seen in my earlier mixing tutorials. This one goes through multiple EQs, first on the mixing desk itself, into a compressor, into a what is it called, like the analog exciters that I have from the 80s, into another EQ to really fine tune and fine tweak everything. So when you load this in, it's almost mixed already. It's, as you can hear, like if you put this in a mix, it's not so much tweaking still you have to do, you know, to get it to fit. Of course you need to listen in the mix in the context, and sometimes you have to add more high end or more low end or whatever you need to do to fit in the mix, but this guitar tone is really mix ready. So I thought I wanted also to show you how the bass tone sounds like. So I just put this away, and then we take the bass and load the bass profile so we can listen what that sounds like. So NAM bass Wolfthrone Studios, there we go. Yeah, so now I have loaded the bass, and this is what it sounds like, totally raw. You can of course tweak the sound from the built-in microphones, more low end, less low end. But in the demo I made in the beginning, I hadn't boosted any drive on the low end. Like this one, I had it a little bit more mid-range, so I will demonstrate with that. But this is what it sounds like. This one is tuned in A, so it's really low. If I add back a little bit of the low end, now you can hear it. It's fat. Yeah, anyway, that is the profiles I have made that I use almost every day in the studio. Either for demo making, or if I get an album to mix from a band and they have only provided me with, let's say, DI tracks that they want me to reamp. In many cases, these are the profiles that I have at least started with to see if they like the sound, and to be honest, most of the time they have liked it and we have kept it for a couple of albums, so I thought that I wanted to share this with you today, and if you like this, you can support me by getting them in. I have them in the link below. And if you like this kind of content, if you want me to make more products, let me know that as well. Yeah, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and till next video, bye.